Now that we've created a sample event, let's take a look at how this looks in a week view. We'll go to the upper right-hand corner, click where it says month, and change our month view to week view. Here I see my 7-day week, and I see my sample event that occurs on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If I use my arrows at the top between today and the month, I can check to see how many times it repeats. Here's the following week. Notice the exact same event occurs. I'm going to start with that first event, and I'm going to click on it one time. This brings up the details that I set for the event. If I want to change any of those, I can simply click the little pencil icon to edit the event. This takes me back to that original editing screen where I can make all the changes I want to it. Let's take a look briefly at how to add guests to your event. This is where we go from personal organization to collaboration. If I would like to add someone to this event, all I have to do is start typing in their email addresses. I hit return or enter on my keyboard. That individual is added to the guest list. And notice we haven't saved this, so one person is still awaiting. Clark Kent is my organizer. If I want to remove anyone from this list, I can simply click this little X to remove them. Notice I can also allow others to see the guest list, invite others to the event, which I can toggle on or off simply by clicking those blue boxes. And I can allow others to modify the event. If I click on that, it automatically checks all the items below. When I save this, an email will be sent to all of your guests with all of this information in the email, and they will be asked to accept or decline the invitation. You can add this to just one event, to this and all of the following events, or to all of the events. This will allow you to invite individuals to individual meetings as needed. I'm going to choose all events and click OK. It will ask you, are you sure you want to send invitations? You can go back to editing. You can say, no, don't send this individual an invitation, or you can click send, and that will send the invitation to all the guests you've invited. Now, because I had items attached to this event, I have one more step I can do. I had uploaded a file or two to this event, and now Google wants to know how I want to share that file with the guests that are invited. Do I want to allow them to view, to comment, or to edit that file? I'm going to choose view. Another way to do it would be to turn link sharing on, which will provide a hyperlink for anyone to view the file no matter what type of account they're using. I can also say don't give access to them so they won't be able to see any of those files. I'm going to turn link sharing on and send the invitation.